What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Well, today we got us an exciting video. We are going to talk about StepApp FitFi. This is a token, this is a coin to where you can upload it on your app, on your phone, and you can get rewarded for walking. You can get rewarded for exercising, getting in shape. You can compete against other avatars around the world, and based on your competition level, you will get rewarded with various StepApp FitFi coins and tokens. So this is a great way for you to increase your finance. This is a great way for you to get healthy. So FitFi, fitness finance, nice little ring to it, nice little tone for it. Currently today, StepApp FitFi is sitting at 0.006. Very small market cap. The market cap for this coin is only $17 million. So this coin have a lot of room to go. This coin is probably only on crypto.com. It's not listed on any of the large major exchanges just yet. This coin came out in 2022, so it have not experienced a cryptocurrency bull market. So that said, it has a lot of room to grow. We know we are in the midst of a cryptocurrency bull market. So once the altcoin season really gets started and once things really start to go parabolic, StepApp FitFi will be sitting right there for the taking. This is the position that you will want to be buying in right now while it's 0.006. You will need to have 140,000 coins, tokens of StepApp FitFi. Now, in dollar wise, that's only about $800. $800 of StepApp FitFi should get you approximately about $137,000. Coins go parabolic. We're in cryptocurrency. We know it's a volatile market, and there will be coins that go 100x. There will be coins that go 500x, and lo and behold, you better believe it, there will be coins that go 1000x. So you have to look in your portfolio and ask yourself, which one of my coins have the potential, possibility to go 100x? Do I have any that can go 1000x? Well, StepApp FitFi is one of those coins. Currently, you can buy it on crypto.com. You can look at my description, the link for crypto.com. But once this coin gets listed on Binance, or once it gets listed on Coinbase, you can bet that that would be a great catalyst that will spike this coin to the moon. Previous all-time high for this coin is 76 cents. So right now, 0.006, if it hit the all-time high, you're talking about 110, 120x from where it is right now. And for it to turn your $800 into $137,000, all it would need to do is go a 171x. Now, from the outer frame, that sounds like a lot. Like, wow, it got to go 171x. Well, you got to understand, this is cryptocurrency market. Coins are very volatile, especially the low cap coins. You can go back and take a look at the history of several coins and see how they performed from the previous Bitcoin halving, which was in 2020, and see how those coins were sitting the year after the Bitcoin halving in 2021. Currently, right now, is 2024. We are 2 months before the Bitcoin halving. So the coins you have right now, you can only imagine how large those coins will be next year in 2025, which is the year after the Bitcoin halving. A lot of these coins will be going parabolic. They will be doing great multipliers. If this is your first time in the market, you will be surprised, you will be shocked, but this is the way this market runs, cryptocurrency market. In a bull market, you can make a lot of money, and just the opposite. In a bear market, you can lose a lot of money. So, you know, like we say, if it go 171x, you will flip your $800 into $137,000. You will make massive gains. Your portfolio, your account will be overflowing. Now, it's other coins like this, but this is just the coin that I'm bringing to you today. I have a lot more coins that I will be bringing to you, but this is the one that we are focusing on today. So if we do a 171x, that will place this market cap at $3 billion. So it will go from a $17 million market cap to a $3 billion market cap. And that will net it a 171x, turning your $800 into $137,000. Now, $3 billion market cap sounds like a lot, but we know the overall market cap for the entire cryptocurrency space at its height in 2025 will probably be about $8 trillion. So compare $8 trillion to $2 or $3 billion, that is not a lot. That's just a drop in the bucket, as they would say. So this is a coin. A lot of folks are not talking about this coin. That's the great time for you to get in on various projects when they're under the radar. You don't hear a lot of crypto currency influencers talking about it. And then once this coin really catch on, we know health is a great focus that a lot of folks are starting to concentrate on. Everybody wants to improve their health. What great way for you to improve your health and improve your finance at the same time by investing and focusing on the StepApp FitFi cryptocurrency coin. So this is just one of the gems that I'm going to bring to you. I have a few other ones set up that I will be setting up and delivering to you guys throughout the week. StepApp FitFi sitting at $17 million market cap. You can go to my description, click the crypto.com link, and you can start your journey on taking your $800, flipping it to $137,000. And if you don't have 800, if you only have 100, 200, you see the multipliers. You see the examples that I am laying out, showing you the exponential growth and gains that you can make with a coin like StepApp FitFi. So we're still early. We haven't even had the cryptocurrency Bitcoin halving. We still have a lot of other catalysts that are amongst us in the year of 2024. So you still have time to make your plays. You still have time to develop various strategies that will set you into financial freedom. This is just one play of many that we are running over there in the Patreon. You can see the link down below if you want to join our Patreon group, where we drop buy signals, sell signals, and different other things throughout the week to keep you motivated and updated in the cryptocurrency market. And that's how we run it. So I just want to thank you for rocking with your boy Stock Holiday. And like I always say, now get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.